A sudden, mischievous gust of wind rattled the window frame and sent the pages of Owen's favorite book flying. They danced in the air like confetti. "No," Owen cried, leaping from his chair, but as his feet left the floor, something extraordinary happened. The world slowed to a crawl. The floating pages hung suspended in the air, each word perfectly visible. A strange energy pulsed through him. In what felt like a single heartbeat, Owen zipped around the room, a blur of motion, snatching every single page from the air. He stood panting in the center of his room, a perfect stack of paper in his hands. A wide grin spread across Owen's face. He had super speed. From now on, he would be the Comet. Later that evening, as Owen settled into bed, he noticed one of the rescued pages was glowing with a soft golden luminescence. As he watched, intricate lines etched themselves across the paper, forming a map of his town with a single pulsing destination marked on it. Curiosity overcame his sleepiness. This was a mission for the Comet. Owen pulled on his favorite blue hoodie, slipped on a pair of old swimming goggles, and crept outside. The night air was cool and still. Following the illuminated map, Owen accelerated, moving so fast that the streetlights blended into long ribbons of light. Owen was a silent blue streak, navigating the quiet streets on an adventure he knew he would never find in any ordinary book. The map led Owen to the imposing stone entrance of the city library. The glowing page pulsed warmly in his hand, and when he held it up to the grand oak doors, they swung open without a sound. Inside, the map directed him to a dusty corner where a bookshelf slid aside to reveal a hidden passage. Owen cautiously stepped through into a breathtaking circular chamber. Here, countless books floated gently in the air, their pages completely blank. At the center of the vast room sat a magnificent griffin with the head of an eagle and the body of a lion. The creature, whose name was Lyra, looked profoundly sad. "The stories are vanishing," she rumbled, her voice like ancient pages turning. "They are losing their words." Owen approached the majestic griffin. "Vanishing? How?" Lyra explained that the words were powered by imagination, but as stories were forgotten, the words faded into nothingness. "There is one way to restore them," Lyra declared, her golden eyes fixed on Owen. "We must gather dream dust, the residue of happy reading that collects on forgotten bookmarks and in the corners of well-loved books." Lyra produced a small velvet pouch. "You are swift. You can gather it before sunrise." It was a challenge worthy of a hero. Accepting the pouch, Owen gave a determined nod. As the Comet, Owen shot out of the library, a flash of blue energy on a crucial mission to save the words. The Comet was a phantom in the night. Owen moved with incredible velocity, locating the tiny, radiant motes of dream dust across the city. He gathered them from a comic book on a park bench, a dictionary in a bookshop window, and a fairy tale on a bedside table. The pouch grew heavy with concentrated imagination. Owen returned to the chamber just as the first hint of dawn painted the sky. He opened the pouch, releasing a cloud of brilliant dust. It swirled and danced, settling onto the blank floating pages. Instantly, words bloomed, tales of dragons, quests, and distant lands. Lyra dipped her head in gratitude. Owen, his heroic task complete, sped home, feeling a satisfaction better than any story he had ever read.